Bro, where we at? Where we at?
Dude,
fucking focus, bro. What the fuck? Look at the wall. There we go. Where we at? Where we at?
oh, we at the mall type.
We at Saramonte. Fucking Shazam's meet, bro.
I know.
Shit's fucking popped off. This is a G80, right? Yeah. A Mustang.
Just like 5K. I thought it was more.
You have a good night, officer?
I was having a good night, yep.
There you go. You guys having a good night?
Always, bro.
There you go. There you go. Cops out, bro. Shit just started.
We chillin'.
It just started, bro. Ain't nothing going on. Ain't nothing but just an average Saturday. Damn, the fucking McLaren. Little burble.
Solo.
Bro, the modded Camry? Or is this an Avalon?
Solara.
Solara? Oh, is this Zach? Marcus! Got you on tape again, bro.
Tape? That's at least like.
Got you on tape, bro.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to what's your
that DC5 Max,
yeah, that
bro.
DC5 guy. That's your YouTube too?
Yeah.
That's so unoriginal.
You know what?
Yeah, go to hostility_n on YouTube. Follow me.
Follow him instead. Follow him instead.
me.
Danny. Or Justin. Justin. Danny. Where are those?
That's the guy with the Supra.
That is the guy with the Supra.
Danny's over there.
Yeah. Where's this dude at?
Zach? I like that.
Where's this dude at?
Look at that Elantra. Hey, isn't that crazy?
I know, this Elantra N with the underglow.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Silent N. Ooh. It's quiet. It's quiet.
It's stock.
What this Integra got, bro? He popped the hood for a reason. GSR maybe? I mean, yeah, clearly it's a B. But I think it's a GSR.
Clearly, I work on Volkswagen.
Oh no, this is not a. Where's the VTEC solenoid at, bro? What the fuck? Oh, there it is. I'm so used to them being right here, you know, K series. My fault, gang.
Oh shit.
My fault, gang. K series.
Oh shit.
Yeah, bro. Bro got the True Park sticker.
I think Connor might own a K series, guys.
Bro, I might own a K series.
Dude, Connor may possibly have a K28 too.
Possibly. Bro, I got my other Integra. All right, that one format Type R, turbo, big turbo.
Hey.
So
6 series, series.
You know what?
He's looking at some
that fucking Mustang. The small block.
Oh. Yeah, there's that too. I like the VR6 better.
So the SI already had
Your car's a piece of shit. Literally like 5 minutes already. It's like the light over there. I just wake up and go straight up.
The Boba guy, Mr. Boba.
Hi, what's up, man?
What's up, bro?
How you been?
Good, good. Stop at his place, guys, for Boba. Fresh. Bro, Evo. Got some BMW. Oh, the pink Supra. Yeah. Hey. Super nice.
Sorry about roll out, bro.
SUK. Ooh. Ooh. Yes.
Sounds like these are rolling out.
Yeah. Sylvia.
TST.
No, it's a Skyline.
Oh, yeah. My fault.
It is, bro. It's at night.
10 minutes on battery. In and out or something.
Okay. Marcus. Yeah, it sounds like Dippington is happening. Oh, there he is! There he is!
Are we gonna cruise out together?
We're over here. And I'm low-key cam car. Yeah, that's hella
That was sick.
Oh yeah, this for car weeks.
sorry to cut it a little short right there. We did end up making it to Raising Cane's. But on the way there on mission, I hit a fucking traffic cone. I'll show you pictures right here. Had to get a new radiator and a new air filter. But shout out to Shazam for this meet. Had really a lot of fun just racing and all that on the streets. So stay tuned for more. Later, guys.